My name is Leanna Monterey. I'm from Pittsburgh, California, home to the proposed Westpac Oil Storage and Transfer Facility. Who is Westpac? Westpac is a private company founded in 1998 and is based in Irvine, California. They develop, construct, own, and operate energy transport systems in North America. They want to build an enormous storage and transfer terminal in Pittsburgh that would bring in up to 200,000 barrels of crude oil per day by ship, rail, and expanded pipelines. A new massive rail terminal will accommodate 104 tanker cars per day carrying crude oil. This oil will then be transported to our local refineries, which will pollute our air even more. This project is on top of our waterfront community in Pittsburgh and is unacceptably close to residents, schools, churches, and parks. It is a threat to our health, safety, and our drinking water. I represent Pittsburgh Defense Council, Neighbors of a Better Community. We are a grassroots group that have come together just recently. We are fighting this massive project, and right now our focus is educating people, gathering signatures on a petition to ask our city council to reject this project. We have community meetings and events lined up, including a march on December 7th at 1 p.m. in Pittsburgh. During our struggle, we have come to know our NGOs. Not only have they become our friends, not only have they become our allies, they have become our friends. And it's an honor to be here, and I look forward to working with everyone in our fight for a better Bay Area. Thank you.